The SYMA drone X1080P FPV Quadcopter features a built-in 1080p HD camera that allows you to capture stunning aerial footage and stream it in real time. With its advanced optical flow positioning, this drone provides stable and precise flights both indoors and outdoors, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking views. Designed for beginners, the SYMA drone offers easy takeoff and landing with a single button, as well as headless mode and stable flight controls for a smooth learning experience. The drone can be effortlessly controlled via an app featuring trajectory flight, gravity control, and adjustable speed modes for a versatile flying experience. Boasting an impressive 40-minute flight time with its 2 batteries, the SYMA drone ensures extended aerial exploration and enhanced durability with its robust design. The inclusion of propeller guards in the design guarantees safer flights, allowing users to enjoy their aerial adventures with peace of mind.